This is a white fibrous regular dense connective tissue, which is the basis of tendons, capsules, fascias, and almost all ligaments. Longitudinal section of the tendon. This is how it looks at low magnification. Like any tissue, dense connective tissue consists of cells and intercellular matrix. Intracellular matrix made of ground substance and fibers. But the intracellular matrix of this tissue is dominated by fibers. That means there is very little ground substance. That's why the tissue is called dense. Regular means that the fibers in the intercellular matrix are assembled into bundles, and inside the bundles are organized in orderly manner, parallel to each other and unidirectionally. The presence of the word white in the name suggests that collagen fibers predominate in this tissue. This doesn't mean that there are no elastic fibers there. They are there, but there are few of them, and there are many times more collagen ones. On this preparation we see oxyphilic, that is pink, collagen fibers stained with eosine. Dense connective tissue contains a small number of cells, including fibroblasts and fibrocytes, but fibroblasts are rare. Fibrocytes in a tendon are named tendon cells or tenocytes. They are stained with hematoxylin basophilically, that is, blue. They lie between bundles of collagen fibers. Regarding bundles of collagen fibers, there are 4 types of them: first, second, third, and fourth type. Bundles of the first type are collagen fibers separated only by tenocytes. At high magnification, it is necessary to find tenocytes and bundles of fourth type between them. Tenocytes. Bundle of type 1. Tenocytes. Bundle of type 1. Bundles of type 1 at middle magnification. Bundles of type 1 at low magnification. Bundles of type 2 consist of several bundles of type 1. Surrounded by a thin layer of loose connective tissue. This layer is named endotendinium. Here is the endotendinium, and here is the endotendinium. Between them is a bundle of fibers of type 2, consisting of bundles of type 1. Here is the endotendinium, and here is the endotendinium. Between them is a bundle of fibers of type 2, consisting of fibers of type 1. High magnification. Bundle of type 2, consisting of bundles of type 1. Several bundles of type 2 surrounded by a thicker layer of loose connective tissue form a bundle of type 3. This layer of loose connective tissue is already called peritendinium. So, this is a bundle of type 3, and in it are bundles of type 2. Endotendinium, endotendinium, and here is a thin layer of loose connective tissue, endotendinium. And in the bundles of type 2 are bundles of type 1. Tenocytes, bundle of type 1. Tenocytes, bundle of type 1. Well, the entire tendon is a bundle of type 4. The bundle of type 4 is also surrounded by loose connective tissue, but already by a rather thick layer, which is called epitendinium. The epitendinium is a capsule of the tendon. It is not present on this preparation. So briefly, on this preparation it is necessary to determine tenocytes, collagen fibers, bundles of type 1, endotendinium, bundles of type 2, Endotendinium. Bundles of type 2. Peritendinium. Peritendinium. Bundles of type 3. Bundle of type 4 or entire tendon. There is no epitendinium on this preparation, but you should keep in mind that it exists.